Hi guys, and welcome back to Programming for the Absolute Beginner Part 3, what you will need before we get to coding. For the purpose of our tutorials, I am going to be using a Mac, so we will be coding in Xcode's Integrated Development Environment, betterly known as Xcode's IDE. So get your original install disk for your Mac and put it into your optical drive. Once the CD appears on the desktop, double-click it and the Mac OS X install DVD window should appear open with a few options. Find the folder that says Optional Installs. We want to double select this Optional Installs folder so it opens up its window, and once we see Xcode Tools, we want to give it a double tap so it can open up its window. Inside the Xcode Tools window, we want to select on the Xcode Tools package. When you give it a double click, it'll prompt you for an installation. Go through the installation yourself and make sure it is installed successfully. Once you have successfully installed the Xcode Tools packages, please go to your Finder window and click on File, New Finder Window, and type in the application name Xcode. Once you find the application, then take the application and drag it to your dock. As you can see, I've already got Xcode installed in my dock, so there's no need for me to add it. In that nice little bundle we just installed, we also installed another application called Terminal. Maybe you've heard it's the new portal into the UNIX command line, but what it really is just access to a UNIX shell, which is basically just another way to interact with our computer. Once you've typed in Terminal in the new Finder window, select it and drag it to your dock and place it above your Xcode application. The reason for placing it above your Xcode application is because we're going to be working with these two applications a lot for the course of our next tutorials, so we want to make sure that they're side by side to each other. In a few tutorial series from now, I will get into the world of the UNIX command line in a week or two, but for now, just use it as I use it in the following tutorials because we don't want to get off topic. So that's all you will need to be creating C programs throughout the entire series of our Introduction to Programming C. Thanks, and I will see you next tutorial where we will actually be getting to writing some code.